Today we're going to go over the unboxing of the Pride Go-Go folding scooter. Now the Go-Go folding scooter has an optional upgrade. You can get the arms with it. If you do get that upgrade, you'll get the second box on top. If you do not get the upgrade, you will just get this box here. So we're going to start with this box, and I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to cut the tape down the center and the sides. Now, don't cut too deep, be careful, you don't want to cut your product on the inside. There is also staples that might be holding it in. Keep in mind they are sharp, do not cut yourself on those. I've already removed them with a pair of pliers. So we're going to open the box and we are greeted by a big piece of foam. We're going to remove that and set it to the side. And now, you can see it, but you can see our scooter just sitting in there like this. So now we have the scooter sitting here. The scooter is pretty heavy. If you have someone capable of lifting it up, you can just pick it up and go to the side, but it is heavy, about 60 pounds or so. So for ease, I'm going to actually cut the sides of the box here. Be careful to watch where you're cutting so you don't cut into the scooter. I'm going to cut this side, and I'm going to cut this side. So now you can see the scooter in there, and I'm just going to pull it out. And now it should be easier to lift from here. So I went ahead and removed the box so you can see what I'm doing better. And I found the easiest way to get this out is actually to grab the handle here and then the styrofoam, and you can actually just lift it up like this and tilt the scooter forward. Then the foam just pops out. And the scooter will remain balanced like that. Put this to the side. I can remove this plastic cover here. You can see in the bottom is our charger. It was sitting in the box, so here's our charger. I'll wheel this back over to me and set it back down. So now that I have the scooter outside of the foam, we're going to unfold the scooter. So on the left-hand side of the scooter, you've got a red lever here. You're going to pull this lever and then pull the tiller up with it. So the lever goes out, and it's pretty easy to do. You push down, and then you might have to lift the scooter up just a little bit, and you'll hear a click. Just like that. The scooter is locked in place, and now we have our seat here. So the back just folds up. We're going to remove some more of this covering. We've got our owner's manual sitting here on the seat. We've got more plastic back here. So now we're going to take the keys off and see if we have power in our scooter. There's zip tied on here, so I've got a pair of wire cutters. I'm just going to cut them off. And it will go in this key port up top here. There's a little sticker covering it. And then our key goes in. Let's see if we have power. So I turn it and I have nothing. That usually means there is a switch in the battery on the bottom. So I'm going to remove this cover, or this plastic here. It's kind of taped in there. So the next part is we're going to connect the battery. In order to access the battery, we got to lift this battery pack up. I found the easiest way to do it is from the side here, because there is Velcro, it pops up. And I'm going to remove it so you can see. That's what it looks like in there. When I first did this, this piece of plastic was right here. It was covering this connection right here. So once the plastic is out of the way and we drop our battery pack in, it will connect with that connection, just like that, and we have power. Also, the sticker is covering your charging port. We can remove that, and you can put your charger right in there. So here is the top of our tiller. I have the key in, turn the key to the right, now I have power. So if you go to drive the chair and nothing happens, what that means is you're probably in neutral. So the neutral lever is on the back of the scooter. It's right here. Up is in freewheel. The scooter will not drive in freewheel. We want to go down. This engages the electromagnetic brakes, and now the scooter will drive. So now we're going to open up our charger box. Just going to cut it through here. Yep, here's our charger, charging cable, and then you have a charger's manual. You just assemble the charger, and the charging port is back here, which I showed you earlier. The other end will go into the wall. So if you did not order the extra arms, your scooter is set up and ready to go right now. If you did order the arms, we're going to open that next. So now we're going to install our arms. I'm going to cut this box right down the center. It's got some tape. And on the side, the box opens up. And inside the box we have our 2 arms. So there's one, just set that down. And here's the other one. Set this to the side and we're going to put the arms back here. So in the back there's a bracket right here. Then the arms just kind of slide in there. Then we will adjust them in a second. So also in the box with the arms you have your 2 screws. They're in a little bag like this. Going to open this up. Then they actually screw in back here. Then you tighten it. And now your arms are tight. We will adjust the arms in a second. We're going to put both screws in. So the last thing we're going to do is adjust the arms. See how the arms are tilted down like this? You obviously don't want that. So what we can do is I'm going to open this up and I am using a 6mm wrench and I'm just going to loosen this. Once the seal is broken, you could probably do it with your fingers. And you want to adjust the screw up. Then this will allow the arm to sit higher. See how it's sitting straight forward like that. So you can adjust the height with this. Then you just tighten down that little nut. Then you want to do that to both sides. So this has been the unboxing and assembly of the Pride Go-Go folding scooter. If you want to see an in-depth review of the scooter, you can check out the link below. We did a full review on it. And thank you for watching this video.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you and have a wonderful day.